So I'm in the bathroom and I'm gonna get ready because I'm going to go to the beach. Well, me and my mum was going to the beach. I thought I'll vlog a fun beach day. So I'm just in the bathroom. I'm going to brush my teeth. Okay, after I do that, I'm going to put some moisturizer on, eye cream and oil. Like 2 days here and my hair feels like shit because my first swim is so it's really like oily and stuff and gross because it has like chlorine in it. I kind of like how my hair is sitting right now, so I might just leave it honestly. So this is my outfit of the day. So these swimmers are from Breezy Swim, I think, and these shorts are from Cotton On. The bed is nice and made and Christmassy. I also put this over like thing on and it is from Hemd, so it's really pretty. Guys, so we are in the car right now and yeah, we're going to the beach and I'll see you guys when I get there. Anyway, I'm taking my camera though, but hopefully it doesn't own it because this is why I need a GoPro for. But anyway. Anyway guys, I am back, but I'm going for a swim, so I'm gonna leave my car. It's a bit dangerous to put it out in the ocean, but yeah, I'll see you guys afterwards. Hey guys, so I just came out of the ocean and the water is so freaking good, but I want to get some food because I'm starving, so I might get that later, but I also feel like an ice cream, so I don't know what to get. See. Hey guys, so we are going to get food. I'm on my way. So I got food and fish chips. I am starving. Would you like this photo? Would you like this photo I took in the car? I took a photo in the car, look. You can see it. You can't really see it because of the sun, but I'll insert it right here. So we are going to stay here for a little bit and then we're going to go to the shops because I got gift vouchers that I got for Christmas that I need to use. So that's what we're going to do. I'm in my zone now. Like it's so awkward to film in like shopping centers and shit, but like at the beach it's not that awkward. No one really cares. Anyway guys, I got my food. Fish, wait, not fish. Prawn cutlets and chips. Guys, I just got an ice cream. It's a mango and ice cream bar. They're like melted. What? finished eating my ice cream, and now I want to go for another swim. Now the sand's so hot. The sand is boiling, and I might leave my sunglasses here because I don't need them. So this beach is like near an airport, so every like 5 minutes there's an airplane flying by. It's a good beach. Hey guys, so I just hopped into the ocean again, and the water feels so cool, but yes, I'm back and I'm sunbaking again. But me and my mum are going to go to the shops later, though it is 12:47 right now, and probably gonna leave at like 1 or 2. I'm waiting to dry off before I put my shorts back on so we can go, because I don't want everything to be wet, sandy and stuff. Well, everything's gonna be sandy, but I don't want everything to be wet. I might do a little like what's in my beach bag haul. So this is my beach bag. I can't remember where I got it. I think I got it from a show bag at the Easter show once, and I have like products in it, but I use it as a beach bag. Firstly, I have the Summer Dreams Intensive Tanning Oil, carotene. It is for tanning in the sun. This is the first time I'm using this oil one, because I normally use the gel one, but this is the first time I'm using this one, so we'll see how this works. And then I've got like my clothes that I wore the overcoat. I have my sunglasses, which looks real like 70s like, which I love. Then I have a hair tie, and then I have a clip that I actually was trying to find this one, but I normally have 2 of them, now I have 1, so I don't know what the other one. I have my AirPods, and they're in this little plastic bag so I don't get sand on them. And then the sunscreen, which unboxing day I got some photos, so I just put some more sunscreen on so I don't make it worse. And then I have my wallets, which I carry this like little wallet around, which is so easy to carry around. And then I have my car keys. So that is what's in my beach bag. Little fun beach bag haul. So it's currently 12:53, so I think I'm gonna leave now because I'm gonna get like burnt, and that's what we don't want. We want it tan, we don't want burnt. So we packed everything away and we're going to the shopping mall. So we are on our way to find shops around here. So we are back in the car. We're going to a shopping centre because there wasn't one near here, so I'm going to find one until I can use my gift cards in them. But I kind of wish I was still at the beach, like in the ocean. Like the ocean water feels so good, so I wish I was still in there, but you know what, it's fine. I have a pool at home anyway, so I might go for a second swim in my pool. Okay, we are at the shop. My shoulder's hurting because it's burnt. So I'm just holding it like this because my shoulder hurts. In the car right now. I've got my Starbucks drink, which is a mango passion fruit juice blend, I think it's called. Hey guys, I'm back home and I got my bikini still on because I'm going for another swim. Hey, do you want to say hi to the vlog? Bye vlog. I'm for a swim and my hair is still wet and matted and it feels like really oily, so I'm gonna wash my hair real quick and then get out to face up and then just put my pajamas on and relax for the rest of the night. So I'll talk to you guys after, like, actually. Hey everyone, so I'm out of the shower. My hair is wet because I just washed it, but I am so tired because I don't know if it's the salt air at the beach. It makes me so friggin' tired. So I'm probably gonna just chill out until later tonight and just go to sleep. But it's currently 6:54 right now, so I have like 2 hours to kill. So I think I might end this vlog here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video also if you haven't already. Also turn the post notifications on so you know every time I upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.